What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to go through my portfolio, my crypto portfolio, because I haven't given an update in a little bit. It might have been maybe 2 months at this point, but I saw some recent comments where people were like, hey, can you give me an update on exactly where your portfolio is? I just want to let people know that portfolios, you tend to see growth within them, not only from the positions that you're currently holding, but from the value that you can gain from short-term positions and being able to turn those over into some of your long-term positions. That's my whole mindset, is being able to turn some of those things over. Now, granted, you do have to pay short-term capital gains tax on those things, but you can still turn over a lot of those profits into your longer-term positions, which in fact I was able to do over this period of time. Now, this all comes from a video that was like 6 months ago, which is a portfolio update, but I had many portfolio updates before that and given my updates on where things are. But since it's a new month, we're going to break down exactly where our portfolio is today. So if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out my link for Margex, that link is at the top of the description. You can trade up to a 100x leverage over on Margex. And if you're talking about XRP or some other things, it might be up to 50x. But then you also have some meme coins that you can trade at a 25x leverage if you want to do it short term or long term. So feel free to check those things out as well. That will be down in the description for that Margex platform. But portfolios. Crypto portfolio, it's always great to be able to manage these things and go through the data. I do it via CoinMarketCap. I used to do it with Excel, but it's way easier to do it with CoinMarketCap because I can bring everything over there and I don't have to, track everything separately, because some things are on Coinbase, some things are on Kraken, some things are on crypto.com, some things are even in my Ledger wallet that I don't even pay attention to. And I'm trying to take those out of the equation completely so I don't have to worry about it and I don't have to track it at all. I can just leave it there, and then whatever in the next 10 years, if it becomes something amazingly huge, then that's what it is. But anyways, let's go into my crypto portfolio. I think we should first start with where this is kind of coming from. And it comes from this right here, where this was 6 months ago. I was at a $126,000 portfolio. And I stand to make, as you see it, about $5 million from that portfolio by 2030. I actually stand to make a little bit more than that because I did reinvest into some of those dollar cost averaging down to bring my cost basis down as well. But let's go ahead and get into that. So if we go to my crypto portfolio, it currently stands at $166,534.61, up $5,400 in the last 24 hours. All-time profit is actually at a loss as of right now because of how much I have invested into it. From what they've said, it's at a loss, but I look at it no matter what as a gain. It's just based on how much I invested versus, how much it's currently at. Now, especially with CRO is down about $15,000, $16,000 because I did throw a lot of money in there from what I've made from short-term plays into that position, as well as XRP. I threw a lot of money into that as well. But my total cost basis and what they're saying is $234,000. That's not accurate. I don't know how that's even calculated or why that's calculated that way, but my total cost basis is not $234,000, not even close. But we are down about $9,300 in all-time profit there. If we look at, because that wouldn't even line up, if my cost basis is $234,000 and I'm sitting here, how am I down $9,000 in all-time profit? That wouldn't make sense at all. But some of the bigger plays I've been able to make, I made a bunch of money from GME. I made a bunch of money from VGS or VSG, and then also made some money. I'm making money from Jasmine Coin and some more longer term positions as well. But my biggest plays in my portfolio are XRP, CRO, and then also Jasmine Coin. I have about 370,000, at which I need to take out 100,000 so that I just don't see it at all, giving me 270,000, not necessarily selling it, but just putting it's over in my Ledger wallet now. I just want to kind of lose track of it. So out of sight, out of mind type of thing. But we're looking at about $48,000 there, $29,000 here. We have $19,000 for, Jasmine Coin. which I'm up $15,000 there. I have Litecoin that's down $2,000. I have Avalanche that is down $400, up $1,000 on Solana. BNB, I am down $1,000 on that as well. GameStop, I'm up $20,000 on that. As you can see, I did take a decent amount of profit from that, and I actually threw a lot of that into places like Kronos and XRP, and even threw some into Litecoin and Avalanche, and just trying to spread it around as you have any type of gains. Terra Luna Classic, I'm sitting $4,300 up. Which I'm also up a decent amount because I did already take profit on that by 4,800. Same thing goes for Harvest Finance. I took $9,000 worth of profit. So ultimately, if we tracked it the right way and brought in all the previous profit that we've had, we're at a break even there with the money that we did add into the portfolio. But the point is we went from a $126,000 portfolio to a $166,000 portfolio with still having or actually lowering some of these cost bases to get us to a way higher point eventually when we see the ultimate like altcoin season. Krill coin is down to $3,471.62. My cost basis is 42 cents there, down $729. You can see how much I'm down. I'm even down on Grok, 3,100, which I do plan on talking about Grok soon. Book of Meme, I'm down $2,000. API 3, I'm down $1,000. $1,000 for Cosmos, $2,000 for Swiftcoin. Beam is down 1,500. The point is that as you see some of these plays and as you see you're down a significant amount in certain things, it says I'm down 11,000. That's not accurate. I still have my 11,000. I have all of my Ethereum that's sitting over in my Ledger wallet. So maybe that's the bulk of that. It honestly should not be here because I'm not down 11,000. I'm actually up a slight bit from where I decided to invest because the current price is at 2,333, and I invested at the lowest possible point, or the low point that we did see in this kind of tank that we did have. So that should bring my all-time profit, I guess, back up to what is more of reality, where it's $2,119.45. I definitely believe that I'm still at profit. So something's not going on with this portfolio. So maybe we have to take all of this with a grain of salt. But the numbers of what I do have by dollar amount, that is accurate. It's just depending on how much profit you ended up gaining. I'm probably going to have to go back to tracking this in Excel because it seems like CoinMarketCap is just not doing the best of jobs tracking all of this. So either way, the most that we have in our portfolio, XRP, CRO, Jasmine Coin, those are leading the charge. We expect to see Litecoin make a huge move back up to 200, 300, 400, maybe even $1,000. AVAX make a huge move back up to $100, $200. Solana find a way to get back to 250 or even push up to way further than that, up to 500 or $1,000, right? So we're looking for all of this movement in the altcoin season. We haven't officially seen altcoin season happen yet. And I have many positions that I'm looking to hold for not just now, right? It's going to be for the years to come. So am I looking for constant growth? Yes. Do I need to see the constant growth there? No, I invest in the things knowing that there may be a possibility that it could be a downturn. However, there's still that larger long-term possibility of it being majorly successful, right? And that's what I see there. I see opportunity in many of the positions that we have in the market, all the positions that I have currently in my portfolio. And we'll see how any of the super long-term ones, my forever coins, play out as well. But let me know what you think about this, guys. Let me know what you think about my portfolio. It's very simple. I do have my Kraken portfolio as well, which I do have majority of my Terra Luna Classic that's over there. But that's labeling over here. It just doesn't have the extra like coins that I bought over there. I'm trying to think if I do have anything else to add to the table. I think we're very close. At one point, the overall amount was definitely up to a way higher point. Like we saw this up to $204,000. All-time high for my portfolio was 200 and It should have been 260. It's not showing that accurately, but it was 200. It was north of $250,000 as we saw things kind of peak there. But as I saw an opportunity to buy more, of course, I let the ones sit there that sit there, and I'm going to buy more, and then we're going to see it thrive even more in the long term. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. If you guys want to trade short-term or long-term, I have a link for Margex down below where you can trade up to a 50x leverage. You can also trade on Coinbase and Crypto.com and Kraken and any of those platforms as well. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you for taking the time out of the day to watch this video. I know we're at a significantly lesser point crypto balance-wise, but it's all in the same process. It's all in due time. We're going to see this flourish. But if you could hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.